Hi everyone! Recently I got a request from a lovely lady who asked me how I make my hummus. It's such an easy recipe, so I thought I'd share it with you today. So to start, you're going to need 1.5 cups of boiled chickpeas. I soak them in water to remove their skins. Leaving the skins on leads to a very chunky hummus. Our family prefers a very smooth hummus, so I take the time to remove all the skins. Soaking the chickpeas in hot water helps remove the skins easily. Just giving them a good shake brings them up to the surface and you can just pick them out. Drain the chickpeas and set them aside. This recipe yields about 2 cups of hummus. It's an amazing recipe and comes together really quickly. Place a 1/4 cup of tahini and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice in the food processor. Always use fresh lemon juice. The bottled lemon juice will give you a bitter tasting hummus and you definitely don't want that. Blend this for 30 seconds. The process of blending hummus for long periods of time ensures a very smooth texture. Scrape down the edges and blend again for 1 more minute. Oh, look how smooth and yummy this already looks. We are on the way to making a really delicious hummus. To this, you want to add 1 large clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We can adjust the salt later at the end. Blend this for 30 seconds. You know the process by now. Scrape down the edges and blend it again. This time, blend it for another 30 seconds. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. Give us a like so I know that you're there and leave me a comment because I love to hear from you all. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Add 1/2 of the chickpeas and blend them well. At this point, the mixture may seem chunky, but trust the process and keep on blending. You know what to do by now. It's a repetitive process. Blend, scrape it down, and blend again. But hey, you guys wanted the best hummus recipe, but it ain't gonna be a 2-second thing. You gotta trust the process. So let's keep going. Now we're going to add the rest of the chickpeas and give it a final 2-minute blend. If at this point the hummus is too thick, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice water. I'm going to show you why blending it for 2 minutes is so important. After 1 minute, the hummus is not smooth enough and the edges still have those chunky chickpeas stuck to the sides. So you're going to scrape it down and blend for another minute. See how much of a difference that 1 minute of blending makes? Smooth, perfect hummus. This is exactly how you want it. This is why I removed all the skins for a very smooth texture. Now you just want to adjust the salt and pepper according to your taste. Give it one last mix and there you have it. Delicious chickpea hummus ready in about 10 minutes. Serve with your favorite pita bread or crackers and chips. My kids love to have it with carrots and cucumber sticks. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Much love and have a good one. Bye.